5 hot IT budget investments and 2 going cold. IT leaders are looking to leverage technology to fuel innovation and business transformation in 2023 with budget bets built to suit. The economy may be looking uncertain, but technology continues to drive the businesses and CIOs are investing big in 2023. At the same time, they are defunding technologies that no longer contribute to business strategy or growth. It's not a stretch to say that across the board, CIOs are continuing to invest in some form of AI. Upgrading cloud infrastructure is critical for deploying broad AI initiatives more quickly, so that's a key area where investments are being made this year. 52% of organizations plan to increase or maintain their IT spending this year, according to Enterprise Strategy Group. This includes spending on strengthening cybersecurity, 35%, improving customer service, 32%, and improving data analytics for real-time business intelligence and customer insight, 30%. The numbers are higher from Foundry's 2023 State of CIO survey, which finds that 91% of CIOs experts their tech budgets to either increase or stay the same in 2023. CIOs anticipate an increased focus on cybersecurity, 70%, data analysis, 55%, data privacy, 55%, AI, machine learning, 55%, and customer experience, 53%. Here is a look at 5 hot technology investments CIOs and other IT leaders are making in 2023 and 2 that have grown cold. Hot, AI and VR AR. With digital transformations moving at full throttle and desire to stay innovate, it should come as no surprise that use cases for virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence continue to grow in several verticals. For example, New York Presbyterian Hospital, which has a network of hospitals and about 2,600 beds, is deploying over 150 AI and VR/AR projects this year across all clinical specialties. In one use case, AR and VR are being used to recreate people's spines in a model so that surgeons can look at them in advance or surgeries to help them perform better, says Peter Fleischert, Group Senior Vice President and Chief Information and Transformation Officer. Besides surgery, the hospital is also investing in robotic for the transportation and delivery of medications. Massive robots are being used in pharmacies to automate processes such as pulling pills, ointments, and creams, putting them into packs, sealing them, and transporting them to floors, he says. The hospital is using automated voice and AI technologies to deploy virtual chatbots in its call centers, is making significant investments in Salesforce to better understand its consumers from a CRM perspective, Fleischert says. In obstetrics, the hospital has invested in a platform that uses AI to monitor and inform a doctor about any fatal issues a mother or baby is expecting for faster and quicker intervention. Other organizations are equally bullish about continuing their investments in AI this year. I'd be remiss if I didn't say AI, 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 which will probably accelerate faster than anyone can think, says Chris Nordekia, Chief Information and Digital Officer at Rockwell Automation. the company is embedding AI into each level of the tech stack it sells to customers, he says. We run factories and help companies run them and optimize them. And AI is used to optimize everything from getting more throughput to better quality to preventative maintenance, productivity, and cost optimization, Nardeke says. It's all about uptime and input. And there's a labor shortage in those industries, so the focus is on more automation and more AI. This applies to his IT group as well, specifically in using AI to automate the review of customer contracts, Nardeke says. Dental company Smile Direct Club has invested in AI and machine learning team to help transform the business and the customer experience, says CIO Justin Skinner. One of IT's first big projects is embedding AI into its SmileMaker platform to access its user database to create an educational experience for our customers and show them what Smile Direct Club can do for them. This technology will help our customers get started quicker and will also allow us to reach more people. AI is also enabling users to do a quick 3D scan of their mouth with their mobile phone so they can see their potential new smile in a matter of minutes, Skinner says. The company will also shift investments toward using AI as an outsourcing model to free up human capital, Skinner adds. That way, employees can focus on creative ways to move their respective areas forward. We need to reduce investment to projects that require transactional workforce attention.